FreeCodeCamp, doing JavaScript algos and data structures. Today we're in the regular expressions course and we're on challenge 3 of 33. So we're going to match a literal string with different possibilities. So in the previous two methods, we learned about what test actually does. It returns booleans if it contains what we're testing for. And then we learned how to use basic regex to match literal strings. So now we're going to do the same thing, but account for multiple options. So using regex like /coding / we'll look for the pattern coding in the string, right? It'll look for just what's between the / exactly. This is powerful to search for single strings, but it's limited to only one pattern. So we can search for multiple patterns using the altercation or operator, which is the pipe symbol. So the logical OR operator is the pipe symbol that's under your backspace key and above your enter key. If you press that with shift, hold shift, press that, that's the pipe symbol. That's the one you want. Okay, so this operator matches patterns either before or after it. It's the literal OR symbol. So like you can see in this syntax, yes or no or maybe between the /, which as you're hopefully seeing the pattern, all regex expressions are between /. So you can see this pattern will search for yes, no, or maybe, right? So if we use the test method with this expression, it will be true if there's any of these three expressions within the string that we're testing. So what we're going to do now is create our own regex, this pet regex, to match dog, cat, bird, and fish. So these are the strings that we want it to match, and we're going to use the same syntax as we see here with this OR operator, okay, the pipe symbol. So all we have to do is replace yes, no, or maybe with these four animals, these four pets, and between them just use the pipe symbol. And as we know with regex, everything in the expression has to be contained within the /. So here we're just going to look at this code. We have a string. James has a pet cat. We have a pet regex, which is a boilerplate regex we have to change. And then we have a variable result, which is equal to whatever test returns to us. So result being a Boolean value, true or false, because it's assigned to, like result is assigned to be the test function call. So test returns a Boolean, so thusly result is assigned to whatever test returns. So let's just go ahead and get started. So pet regex, take this regex and test the pet string. So test this string to see if it contains whatever is in the pet regex, which we know we need to make dog, cat, bird, fish. So let's take it out of there, and just add dog, and then as we know, we just have to use the pipe symbol between the different possibilities, the different matches that we're looking for. So shift pipe symbol, so dog, cat, or bird, or fish. Okay, so that's how I read the pipe symbol like that. I read it as a OR operator because it is the OR operator. So this regex is searching for the string of dog, or if I can click it, if I can highlight it, or the string of cat, or the string of bird, or the string of fish, just like that, all within whatever we pass to the test method, in this case within this string. And as you can see, we do have the word cat, and we are looking for the word cat, so thusly result should be true. So if we console.log true, or not true, sorry, if we console.log result, we can see result is true. And if we change this, he has a pet hamster, now it's false. And then instead of a pet cat, maybe he has a pet fish. And sure enough, this expression also finds fish, because once again, we're searching for dog, cat, bird, or fish. Any of them will return true. Okay, so let's just put this back to how it was, true. And now if we run the test, we can see that this does pass, because that's all it wanted to do, or all it wanted us to do was check multiple potential possibilities. So that's how you do it, the logical OR operator. I hope that made sense, guys. If you have any questions, please leave comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video.